What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike and I'm back at it again with another video. But before we even get into this video, happy Prime Day, happy Amazon Prime Day. Make sure you go check out my last Amazon video talking about Prime Day so you can take advantage of those Prime Day deals and wherever else you shop, because I'm pretty sure it's some deals going on just about everywhere today and tomorrow. So go shop on Amazon, go shop on Newegg, Target, Best Buy, Walmart, all that good stuff, because they're all offering pretty big sales right now. I think Best Buy actually just started their Black Friday sale, which it's October. Whatever. Either way, go save yourself some money, but that's actually not what this video is about. This video is actually a request from a subscriber. So make sure you drop those comments down below so I can always help you guys out if you may have any questions. But let's get into this question. This question is from Rond or Ronde Murphy. I'm not sure how to pronounce your name. I don't want to say it wrong, so I'm gonna go with either Rond or Ronde Murphy. Either way, thank you for your comment, and your question says, can you do a breakdown on One Finance and some of its competitors? I'm looking for an alternative checking / savings solution. Yeah, I can do that. So let's get into it. Let's go. So after reading that comment, I wasn't really sure what you were asking. I thought you were asking about the investing app called M1 Finance, because I actually did like a small review on M1 Finance. There is more M1 Finance videos coming soon. I kind of stopped investing on that platform for the time being because I'm doing things with my money that I kind of want to hold off for a future video. But either way, I thought you were talking about M1 Finance. You weren't talking about M1 Finance when I actually went to look it up, and it turns out this is a pretty solid banking, checking / savings account. So let's get into what One mobile banking actually is, because I think it's a pretty solid option as far as checking and savings. This is the future, and I'm 100% here for it. Let's go. So as I mentioned, this is a fintech company. It's a lot smaller than your normal bank like Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, anything like that. They are basically finance and computers or technology put together, and they overall come up with better ideas than most of those traditional banks just simply don't offer at all. One Bank is FDIC insured up to $250,000 per depositor. It has no fees or minimums. You can easily pay anyone through a Cash App-like system. It has world-class live customer service, the highest security and data encryption standards, and fee-free access to 55,000 all-point ATMs, because we hate fees around here. They offer a checkings account, a savings account, an auto savings account, a pockets-like feature, which is kind of like Qapital if you've seen some of my Qapital videos, as well as a line of credit if you need a line of credit, and that is based on your direct deposits. With your checkings account, you'll have that one debit card that they offer, and that debit card can be used to make those purchases, whatever you may buy. You can also round up all those purchases to the nearest dollar. That can go into your savings account, which earns you 1% APY, which is a pretty solid APY. The economy isn't doing too great when it comes to banks and APYs right now, so solid 1% APY is pretty good, I think so. As I mentioned, that savings account is a general savings account. It offers you a 1% APY. That APY is 1% up to $10,000 and up to $25,000 if you do direct deposit. Anything past those amounts, you will not earn any APY on your money, and it's better invested somewhere else. But personally, I mean, if you're above $10,000 or $25,000 in any one of these savings accounts, then I'm pretty sure not too worried about this app that I'm reviewing right here. But if you are, there you go, that's the news. $10,000 on regular deposits, 1% APY, and if you do direct deposits, you're upping that to about $25,000. The auto save feature is what I really like. I always like the ability to have something else work for me and not me having to auto save for myself. So in the auto save feature, you can save up to 10% of your paycheck can go into your savings account, and that'll get you actually 3% APY, which is above just about anything on the market right now. You're not getting 3% APY anywhere. Simply like I mentioned before, you'll earn 3% APY on a portion of every direct deposited paycheck. If it's coming straight from your checkings account to your savings account, you won't get that 3% APY. But if it's getting deposited straight from your check, then you're going to get that 3% APY on that money. Lastly, their pockets feature is something to note as well. It reminds me a lot of Qapital. I use Qapital personally. I recommended Qapital on the channel to you guys. I need to actually make a Qapital update video because I'm now over $10,000 saved in the Qapital app. So definitely need to make an update video, so stay tuned for that. But either way, pockets is just like Qapital, where you can set up multiple goals and basically have money going towards each one of those goals. Once you reach that goal, you can take the money out and go buy whatever you want to buy with that goal, or you can take the money out early. It really doesn't matter. It's completely up to you, but it's just an incentive of saving. You can have these pocket goals alone, or you can invite your friends to the One mobile banking app and have pocket goals together. For instance, maybe a birthday party, maybe a trip you're all taking. You all want to save money into one big fund, and then you go and buy it. Boom. It's cool stuff. It's fun. It's making saving money fun. It's like the Yotta Savings app as far as making saving money fun. And I'm 100% down for it because the more money you save, the more money you have at your disposal to do whatever you want with your money, because guess what? It's your money, not mine. I'm just giving you suggestions. But either way, I think it's a pretty solid mobile banking app. I think I'm going to download it myself. I feel like if you want to take advantage of the One mobile banking service fully, then definitely you need to have a direct deposit set up to an account, because direct deposit 3% back APY, you can't really go wrong with that. They're giving you 3%. Come on. That's pretty solid. That's pretty solid. You're not getting that basically anywhere else. Personally, I think my favorite checking and savings account right now is Ally Bank, but 100% I'm going to give One Finance mobile banking a try, because I mean, right now it's offering a higher APY. It seems like a solid bank, and it's insured. My money's insured. If anything goes wrong with it, it's insured. I'm not gonna lose all my money. So it's trustworthy, is what I'm saying. So yeah, I don't see any issue why you wouldn't try it out. I'm gonna try it out myself. I'm gonna give the app a download today, and that'll be about it. They also offer that credit line, but like I said, that credit line is based on how much money you deposit from your direct deposits. So get on it. And real quick, that credit line APR, not APY, APR is 12%. So if you have a credit line with One mobile banking, it's 12%, or basically 1% per month. Either way, on this channel, we always strive to have everything paid in full, 100% every single month, so we don't have to worry about paying any interest, because interest is bad. Interest doesn't help you at all in basically any situation. It's just extra money that has to come out of your pocket. So I'm trying to think, what's a good thing? Interest sucks. So don't bother with it. Don't pay it. If you don't have the money to buy something, especially if you really don't have the money to buy something, don't buy it. Don't worry about paying any extra interest on anything. It's garbage. Don't worry about it. Cut it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So that's it. If you need to build your credit, that's a good way to build your credit, with a line of credit. You know, you get what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying. You're putting 1, 2 together, you're getting 3. Either way, there are competitors to this app, which I haven't done enough research on to properly speak on. But I think overall, the One is probably the best, or my favorite option so far. So like I said before, I'm gonna give it a try out, and we'll see what happens. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, that's kind of it. So if you enjoyed this little review about One Finance, make sure you drop it with a like button. If you didn't enjoy it, hit the dislike button twice. And that's kind of it. Make sure you check out my other videos on the channel, because my channel is all about personal finance, saving money, investing money, budgeting, credit cards, mobile bank reviews, other tech reviews. I got you all covered in basically any instance. Also, make sure you check out my Instagram, my Twitter. It's all down there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because that's pretty important as well. And make sure you drop comments down below asking me if you want me to review something, or drop comments down below if you liked it. Let me know. My birthday's coming up. Hey, say happy birthday, something like that. You know, it doesn't really matter. So that's kind of it. I'm out. Dollar Mike. Peace.